Hello again, this is Mr. Weideman, Lafayette High School, Functions in Trigonometry, and this is going to be our Part 2 video for Section 6.2 using trigonometric sum and difference formulas. Anyways, I just kind of cut the video off kind of halfway in this example. It's finding the cosine of the exact value of this expression. And you go, wow, that's really complicated, and that's really messy. And 20 degrees and 80 degrees is not on the unit circle. All right, so what's the key here? The key here is let angle 80 be your angle A, and let 20 degrees be your angle B. And if I look at that, and we look at our sum and difference formulas, okay, I see this cosine times a cosine, a sine times a sine, and a plus sign in between them. And if I look, I say, okay, well, that looks a lot like one of my difference formulas, okay? It looks like the icky side of the cosine difference formula. And how do I know that? Well, there's 6 of them here, and I just have to kind of match the format up. And the more you use these expressions, the more you're going to recognize, hey, that's some sort of difference formula format. Okay, so I see that, this complicated expression matches the format of my cosine difference formula. And all that icky stuff there on the right simply is the same as cosine 80 degrees minus cosine 20 degrees. And that's just simply cosine 60 degrees. Now I can look that up on my unit circle and say, hey, that's 1/2. And that's how we actually use this for like proofs and identities and verifications and stuff like that. We take this complicated expression and recognize that it is in some sort of sum or difference or some other trigonometric identity format, and it simplifies into a sum or a difference or a Pythagorean identity, or we're going to learn later on a double angle identity, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I want you guys to try one real quick and look at page 655, checkpoint 2, and you're given this expression right here. And I want you to take time and pause the video and see, what format does that fit? And like I said, there's 6 of them there, and it certainly doesn't match any one of the tangents, so that boils it down to 4 different sum and difference formulas. Pick out which one you think it is, and pause the video for a second and see if you can come up with the right answer. Okay, so let's continue, and hopefully you recognize that as this is one of our difference formulas. I think it's the difference formula for the cosine. Okay, there we go. So all that icky stuff is just simply cosine of the first angle, alpha, minus the second angle, beta, 70 minus 40, cosine 30 degrees. So all that icky mess simply boils down to, according to our identity, cosine 30 degrees. Look that up on our unit circle, and we're done. Okay, so this is your assignment then for this particular point. Okay, there's more to cover in 6.2. Those are in some further videos. Page 660, I want you to do 1 through 8 all, and then 13 through 23 odd. And this assignment will be due the next time we meet. All right, thank you very much, and good luck with your homework assignment.